ሰላም ይሄ አፍሮ እንግሊዝ ቹካ ነው። ዛሬ ቤዚካሊ ምንም እንደምናየው የሚለው ነገር በደንብ በኤግዛምፕል ሴንቴንሶች ኤግዛምፕል ሴንቴንስ ዛት ኢዝ ይሄ አንኦርጋናይዝ ሴንቴንስ ማለት ያልተቀናጀ ወይም ኖርማል የሆነ ጽሁፍ የሌለበት ሴንቴንስ ምን ኤግዛምፕል ሴንቴንስ ይባላል። ይሄ እንዴት ነው የምናደርገው? መጀመሪያ ኮንሲደር የምናደርገው ሳብጀክት ቨርብ እና ኦብጀክት ፕሌስ እና ታይም ይባሉት አሉ። እነዚህን ስትራክቸሮችን ማሟላት መቻል አለበት ማለት ነው። አሁን መጀመሪያ ሳብጀክት አለ እዚህ ላይ ሳብጀክቶቹ I don't understand several things that I don't understand there are I don't understand ስለዚህ ምን ነው there are several things that I don't understand ስለዚህ አሁን I don't understand there are several things አንልም there are several things I don't understand that there አንልም there are several things that I don't understand D is the best answer D ካላችሁ the best answer it's rude don't you it's rude to stare at people don't you know ስለዚህ እነዚህ ምንድነው it's rude don't you know and it's rude መሀል ላይ እንደው it's rude subject verb ይከተላል it's rude don't you know to stare at people it's rude don't you know it's rude to stare don't you know okay it's rude it's rude what don't you know it's rude to stare at people it's rude to stare at people don't you know A the best answer among the alternatives ሌላው I have looked for my keys subject ይቀርማል subject I have looked my keys everywhere አንድ ቦታ እያለ ስለዚህ I have looked ስለዚህ the answer is A ካላችሁ the best answer ማለት ነው። ሌላው 19ኛ ጥያቄ ብሬክፋስት ሁሌ ሳብጀክቶችን መለየት ነው። ሳብጀክት ቨርብ ኦብጀክቶችን ማየት ነው። ሳብጀክቶች አለ አይ ነው አይ መጥቷል ሁሉም ጋር እሺ ቀጠለ ቨርብስ I usually stop working usually after breakfast I usually stop working after breakfast I usually stop by the way usually ሁሌ ሞስትሊ ከአይ ከሆነ I usually ከዛ ይመጣል ማለት ነው። I usually መሀል ላይ ሄደ usually stop which I usually B is I think the best answer is B is the best answer frequency ሁሌ ከሳብጀክት በኋላ ቀጥሎ ይገባል ማለት ነው። choose the correct frequency using to make first he fell down and he was taken to hospital he heard somebody calling out his name he ran into taxi which is up in front of him some saw ride his bike and he returned በእንትኖች እያየን አራተኛ የትኛው ነው frequency አራተኛ መጀመሪያ አራተኛ some saw riding his bike እሺ fell down and he was taken to hospital he fell down he turned back to see the person who was calling አይደለም አምስተኛ አይደለም ሁለተኛ he heard somebody calling out his name ሁለተኛ እሺ ቀጥሎ አምስተኛ some sort riding አምስተኛ he turned back to see the person who called his name out እሺ አንደኛ ስድስተኛ መጨረሻው when he couldn't remember how he got come out ወገም ስድስተኛ መጨረሻው እሺ አንደኛ መጨረሻው ይፈልዳውን አይደለም። ስለዚህ አንተሪስ 6 ሲ ካላችሁ ቤስት አንሰር ማለት ነው። ሚኒንግ አንደርላይን ዩር ዲሲሽን አሁን ባይ ዘ ወይ እንደዚህ ሚኒንጎችን እንዴት ነው የምንጠራው የሚለው ነገር በቀላል እንገራችሁ ማለት ቼሜሎና ጃኬም ሞር flagged itself in the leaves so the children couldn't see it easily ይላል። ስለዚህ አሁን ይህን ትርጉም ባናቀም ኢዝሊ ከኮማ በኋላ ተለፍቶ ያወራ ማለት ኢዝሊ ነው። በቃ ይህን ቃላቶች ይሰምረ በቃል ባናቀም ኮማም በኋላ ያለው ነገር ይነግረናል ማለት so children couldn't see it easily በቀላል ማይታይ ነገር ማለት ነው። match to colorful surrounding is sat quite uncomfortable became smaller in size stuck into something በቃ smaller በቃ ማይታይ ነገር itself ማይታይ ነገር became smaller in size so that's why children couldn't see easily ስለዚህ ማይታይ ነገር ስለሆነ ነው። when people have an infection disease they usually isolate from people they isolate means different pick up keep entirely apart became different so ስለዚህ go to support ስለዚህ የተለየ isolate means became different ካላችሁ the best answer ማለት ነው። soldiers had an abundant supply of food. Here they didn't have to worry. ስለዚህ they didn't have worried ማለት ይሄንን ያወራ ማለት ነው። therefore ስለዚህ abundant በቂ የሆነ ነገር including contain measure more than enough ስለዚህ the best answer ካላችሁ ሌላው choose the best answer they from the obtaining working in the steel factory one of that jobs in the world so ስለዚህ አሁን working the steel factory without the world something is superlative degree of oral like the most ካላችሁ the best more comparative ነው dangerous ይሄ ፖዚቲቭ ነው so the best the most answer ካላችሁ ይሄ ካላችሁ ልክ ነው ጉራ ዳሽቦርድ እና ረበበቲ ዳሽ አዲስ አበባ for more than 25 years look ጉራ is born means which is born የሚደረው ያለፈው ሰዓት ነው ፕሬዘንት ነው ፓስት ነው ከዚህ ጋር ፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክት ቴንስ መሆን አለበት ስለዚህ ቢ እና ዲ the best answer አይታችሁ ነው ቢ እና ዲ the same answer so ቢ እና ዲ is the best answer to for this question ማለት may I have you order please Mifa dash lamb chops please can I have lamb chops please it's how much I'm looking for I'm ordering so ስለዚህ can I have police something can I have ይሄ the best answer for this dialogue my English markers are trouble what do you advise me ስለዚህ ሁሌ mostly by the advice ስናደርግ የምንጠቀሙ ቢሮ ማለት advice ስናደርግ የምንጠቀሙ whether we should or ought to the best answer is ought to ought to አለ ማለት ስለዚህ this is called need to something needness necessity ነው can I bet you may possibly something like that so the best answer is ought to ማለት 28 my friend enjoys Dutch horror films by mostly enjoy ቃላት ምን ይዞ ይመጣል ሁሌ enjoy ቃላት አይንጅ ፎርወርድ ነው this is ምንም ጥያቄ የለውም enjoy ቃላት የመዝናናት ቃል ማይንድ ጋር ያለ ሰው ስለዚህ ሁሌ ፕሬዘንት ቴንስ የሚያወራ ከሆነ ያ አይንጅ ፎርወርድ ያደርጋል forget ሌላው I'm going to go out in the rain but if you go out the rain you dash wet ስለዚህ ከወጣ ምን ትሆናለህ አሁን ኮንዲሽን ሴኔት ኮንዲሽን ታይፕ 1 በምን አወቅን ኢፍ አለ ኢፍ ሲደመር verb 1 ይላል with ደመር verb 1 ነው የሚመጣው ስለዚህ with ደመር verb 1 የት ነው ሲ the best answer ማለት ነው እዚህ the best answer በጣም ጎበዝ they really want to work you dash put somebody in አይሰራም ስለዚህ if you አይደለም if you don't put እሺ unless ኔጌቲቭ ነገር unless if you not you put some material in the really wouldn't work so ስለዚህ unless ማለት ነው the best answer is unless D the best answer ማለት ነው I can't give you right because my car dash at the moment which keyword at the moment is present actions which is continuous I can't give you right because my car is being repaired was repairing present past continuous present is repairing እየተደረገ ነው so present continuous ካላችሁ ይሄ present passive ነው present continuous passive ነው ስለዚህ passive ሳይሆን እየሰራ ነው ስለዚህ the best answer D is best answer ሌላው reception to tourists how long have you going to stay what did she reception asked you tourists asked me I'm going to present በፓስት ወደ ፓሲቭ ሲቀየር ወደ ሪፖርት ሲቀየር ምንድነው የሚደረገው የሲምፕል ፓስት ፐርፌክት ቴንስ ይሆናል ፓስት ፐርፌክት ቴንሶችን መፈለግ ነው ፓስት ኮንቲኒዩስ ሲምፕል ፓስት ቴንስ if I am going to stay present how long I am going to present how long are you the answer how long I was going to stay D the best answer Ryan feels sick she ate 4 eyes of course Ryan feels sick because so says because the best answer because is the best answer she chose the combination to sentence below combination she was in college during that time she made of friends በጣም ብዙ ወደ አምርታለች ኮሌጅ እያለች ማለት she made a lot of friends after no before she was no she made a lot of friends while she was in college እያለች ነው she made a lot of friends during she was in college during something a few situation during means በዛ ጊዜ D is the best answer ሌላኛው okay the car is very expensive I can't buy it So it's expensive. You can buy the car is very expensive. That's why I can't. The car is very expensive for me. Car is expensive. You have to buy. No, the car is so expensive. The car is I can't buy. The car is very expensive, so that I can't. The answer is A, the best answer. Okay. What animal in the future? The either crocodile or alligators? The animal that is either or neither crocodile nor T the best answer. T the best answer for this. It is impossible to sneeze without closing your eyes. Closing with your eyes. This is the best answer. Okay, good. 38. Where you last summer vacations? I was in Hawassa. So this is asking about the place. So where is the place indicator? Where, when, where is the place indicator? The where is the best answer. When is time indicator? What is for something like that, which is optional. So here is place indicators. That's why. Dash. Did you when you were in trouble? I called my uncle. When you draw, when did you where did you know? Who did you when you were in trouble? Why did you know? When did you when you were in trouble? When you travel, when the best answer because time indicator. No, that's why. In town you have to drive slowly. You drive faster than you don't have to. In town you have to drive slowly. You can drive faster than no. You don't have to. This is something optional. It's not necessary. The best answer. Dash, do you like football? Basket, I like basket best. What do you like? What do you like? Here it is the best answer. Why the reason which is optional. So which do you like, football or basket, which is called D is optional. So this is we can use D for this. I have to dash difficult decision in my future. I think I am going to leave my job. I have to make a difficult decision. Make the best answer. Okay, it's easy dash one way in big city. To lose one way in big city. One way in big city. To lose is the best answer. Present perfect English. This is a woman who subject verb taking rest. This is a woman whose writing rest. Whom son was. The answer is whom plus subject plus verb. That's why whom by the both still don't forget. It's followed by subject plus verb. Here is subject, it's verb. Who is also only by only verb. The answer goes to D, the best answer. 45. I will call you. I get the airport. I will call you until I get for no. I will call you if I get airport. This is conditional because there is will here if there is here. So this is the best answer B. 48, 47. I watched film last night. It's called I watched film. Neither did I. So did I. No. Neither did I. So did I. So did I. Okay. Neither did I. So I watched a film last night. Neither did I. Neither. No, the option, the same options. So I'm so positive answer I expected. So I did. This is the best answer. So read. What's your pocket? Salu. What did he ask you? The policeman asking me what was in my what was in my pocket. Mean that what was in my pocket. It B and D the best answer. Okay. 49. Do you think Ethiopian food is that delicious Japan food? Do you think the food is as delicious as Japan food as comparative? So we are also as best answer. The last questions all about. Thank you very much. This is all about what I have today. Thank you very much.